Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm taking you along with me to the Dollarama. I know a lot of people have requested that don't have one in the area that I share with them what is actually available at the stores. They're very much intrigued. So if you want to see what's available at my Dollarama, please keep on watching. And hint, hint, there is a lot of Valentine's and Easter items coming up. So a lot of exciting things. So hope you enjoy it. Now let's go. So as soon as I walk in, there's a lot of toys to choose from. But one of my favorite was this little stuffy, a Tooth Fairy stuffy. How cute is she? You can actually personalize this if you're crafty like that. But look how cute. It's a little princess with a little tutu. And look at this. There's a little pocket where you can actually place the tooth. I thought this was super cute, and as I'm slowly getting into crafting with my Cricut, I'm hoping that I can personalize these. These are super cute. Coming up here, we have some more winter toys where you can actually make snow blocks. And look, there's some Easter stuff. Look at these wonderful hanging decorations. There's some bows, some placemats over here. All in these beautiful pastel colors, which just reminds me and screams spring, which I'm loving. This Easter sign, which is oh so cute. These Easter signs, they're actually wood, so they're really pretty. We have this door decoration kit with googly eyes, and there's some ears. There's the surprise bags. So many of these glittered eggs, which are so pretty. Even to put in those lanterns, those Dollarama lanterns, you can fill them up with these glittered eggs and with some twinkle lights. Oh, that would be so pretty for a little centerpiece. They have these cake trays, these cover trays, which are really cute. A lot of Easter eggs, which you don't have to color yourself. And check out these little chickies. How cute are those to incorporate them in a wreath? And those porcelain rabbits. Those are older ones. Those are from last year and I believe the year before, but they're so cute. A lot of arts and crafts. More stuffies. Now check out these t-shirts. I am in love with that Queen of Hearts t-shirt and this Love t-shirt. They're all V-neck and they're so pretty. These little platters, some espresso cups and saucers, some molds, heart molds. Here's some mugs with the spoon. Some table toppers. Little muffin cups. Candles. These are the candy, red hot candy. Not really a fan. There was no throw on cold, so you could just imagine when we melt it. These are really pretty. These are frosted glass candles. And this one says Be Mine with the gold and pink. And there's the red and gold as well. Very pretty. This cup I really liked. It has an embossed red heart. There's also a silver heart, which is the one I would pick up as it goes with my decor. Very pretty. You can see the silver one. These ones are so cute. The Mr. and Mrs. with the lips. So, so cute. I bought these last year. Just be careful in the dishwasher. Don't put them in the dishwasher or it will rub off. Some more molds, plates and napkins. Some Ziploc bags. These are super cute. They're little Ziploc bags with the hearts and the lips for little treats for the kids at school. Or for hubby or your significant other. Stickers. Foam hearts. There's just so much. And they just started putting things out at my Dollarama, so I'm sure there's a lot more to come. These little props are super cute for taking selfies or what have you. More surprise bags. These little clothes clips are so cute. I'm a lover of fluffy socks. Look at these. Aren't they so, so cute? These are like little slip-on slippers and they have a no-skid backing, which are super cute with the hearts. I love these black ones with the hearts and these pink ones are super cute. Check out these for kids with the lips. So, so cute. And this fluffy one with the heart, so cute again. And that gray and black stripe one, love that one. Some duct tape. This is the stationery aisle. A lot of stationery, themed stationery. Check out these pages. They're just so pretty if you're into crafting. I'll do a quick flip through on this one as well. Very vibrant colors. Keeping in the stationery area, there's a lot of notebooks, beautiful agendas, beautiful lined paper, so, so gorgeous. Definitely does not look like dollar store quality. This one's really, really cute. I've seen this one before. It's not new to my store, but it's very cute to keep you organized. It has the different days of the week. Flags, sticky notes, really, really cute. This cute calendar. Those canisters are cute as well. The white with the wood top. Hi, Olaf. Back to the stuffies. Check out, they have this sequined pillowcase. Not pillowcase, sorry, a pillow. Really cute. It's heart-shaped with golden red. This little unicorn. Oh, they're just so, so cute. You can make a cute little basket, a gift basket for these. A lot of Valentine's Day candy and chocolate to choose from. Here's a Palmer's bag, jam-packed full of chocolate. It's quite heavy too. Here are some window decals, really, really cute. And on this aisle, they have some new candles. This is new to me. Look at these beautiful jars. To me, they're almost trying to mimic the Bath and Body Works. The marbled effect. Candles for aisles. Not sure if you saw those spring jars. Those are really pretty as well. But again, I'm not very fond of the dollar store candles. Personally, to me, they don't have much of a throw. They're quite pretty to look at. Pretty stoneware. And this brings us to the end of our tour. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a lot of ideas for Valentine's and Easter. And again, thank you again so much for stopping by. And stay tuned for a haul video for this shopping trip. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video. Bye everyone!